The next one is we can put one herb in a pot. So good idea if you're using mint to put just mint in a pot by itself, because mint grows and grows and grows, and if it's together with other herbs, it takes over and kills the rest. It's kind of a bit of a bully, but we won't tell the kids. So once again, we're transplanting. I like to keep the tags if I've got them handy. So we are transplanting this guy. So hard to do with mint, but put your hand down here. Squish, 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 because you got to loosen the roots. Squish, 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 squish. Squish, 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 squish. Ah, all right. Now look at this guy. See all these roots around here? We got to loosen these guys up. So get the children to stick their fingers in here, and they get to really reef, twist. I actually do it like this, and the kids love doing this. Twist, 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 twist. And what you're doing is you're really loosening up all these guys' roots. What's fun about mint too is you can get one mint plant, and each one of these little runners we can plant all by themselves, and they're going to grow new plants. So got him really, oh, there he's been mint. Okay, so put him in here like this. Now the children can use their trowels to fill up the pot and tell them to shake it up a little bunch. Or if they're bigger kids by now, they say phooey on that, and they start using their hands. And tell them to do this, because that way the soil gets all in around the roots. Because these are perennial plants, you can really sort of mess with the plants a lot, and they're not going to take hurt. So they can take some rough handling, easy. And do this. Okay. So now you've got one plant that's not like these guys are seeds. So one plant that can go home with the child, and the child plus the caregiver can take care of this plant at home for the rest of the summer. And because it's mint, it's perennial, you can take it indoors over the winter, and you're still caring for a plant. So we're learning that plants live long. So that's our mint plant.